Bakit ina-explain ko po yan sa inyo? Para po at least mag-gets nyo talaga at maintindihan nyo kung ano ba talaga yung basis and foundation po nitong International Criminal Court. So ngayon punta na po tayo sa next defense of FPRRD regarding naman po to sa admissibility of his case in the International Criminal Court. Okay? So yung maging defense po dito is Article 17 of the Rome Statute, specifically the issues of admissibility. So may kita po nyo nakalagay talaga dito at in-emphasize sa Article 17 having regard to paragraph 10 of the preamble and Article 1. So yan po yung mga binasa ko kanina, di ba? Which emphasize that the ICC is only supplementary po to national criminal jurisdictions. Okay? So ito pong issues of admissibility, ibig sabihin po nito, ito yung mga situation kung saan yung ICC po ay pwede hawakan yung mga certain cases or hindi nila pwede hawakan. Okay? So dito po talagang importante sa Article 17 is paragraph 1 letter A of the Article 17. So dito po makikita natin, a case is inadmissible, meaning hindi po pwede tanggapin or i-admit sa ICC yung kaso when the case is being investigated or prosecuted by a state which has jurisdiction unless the state is unwilling or unable genuinely to carry out the investigation or prosecution. Okay? So kung sa Tagalog pa, ang sinasabi po dito is yung ICC po, ang isa pong kaso hindi pwede i-admit sa ICC kung ang isa pong bansa ay in-investigate at prosecute na yung kasong yon at meron siyang jurisdiction talaga dun sa kasong yon. Unless na lang po na yung bansang yon eh hindi nila ini-investigate or prosecute ng maayos yung kaso involved. Okay? Ang next naman po is punta tayo sa paragraph 2 naman. Okay? So nakalagay po dito, to determine the unwillingness, the court shall consider principles of due process recognized by international law. Okay? Tas nagbigay po yan sila dito ng mga situations. So unang-una, the proceedings were or are being undertaken or the national decision was made for the purpose of shielding the person concerned from criminal responsibility for crimes. Okay? Letter B po, nakalagay dyan, unjustified delay in the proceedings. Tapos sa letter C naman, nakalagay dyan, the proceedings were not or are not being conducted independently or impartially. Okay? So yan po yung important provisions dito sa Article 17 na pwede pong gamiting defense ni FPRRD. Okay? So explain ko po sa inyo ng maayos. Ito pong provision na to, Article 17, ang pinaka-essence po talaga nito is ina-explain po ng Rome Statute na kung ano yung mga cases na hindi pwede i-admit or tanggapin ng ICC. Okay? And